In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Sodium for Minecraft 1.21 or later on Mac. The first thing we need to do is to open our Minecraft launcher, and you want to load the version of Minecraft you want to install Sodium for. This is so all the files are fully downloaded so our mods can be installed. Once Minecraft opens, this means the files have been installed, so we can go ahead and quit the game, and now we just need to install Fabric. To download Fabric, we need to go to our web browser, and we need to go to fabricmc.net, and I'll leave a link in the description. Once you're here, you want to click on the download button in the middle of the screen, and then you want to click on download the installer, and you want to use the universal.jar one. In this case, I'm going to download the installer to my desktop. We also need to download the Fabric API, as this is required by many mods. So you want to click on the Fabric API link, and this will take you to the CurseForge website. From here, you want to scroll down and click on Files, and here you just want to scroll down and you want to find the latest version of the Fabric API. In this case, it's 1.21 and it's the latest version. Once you've clicked on that, you want to click on the download button next to install, and after a few seconds this will begin to download, and again I'm going to download this to my desktop. Finally, we need to download Sodium or any other mods that we want to download. To do this, we need to go back to our web browser, and you want to go to the modding website of your choice, and in this case I'm going to use Modrinth, and I'll leave a link to the Sodium link in the description below. Once you're here, you want to click on the versions tab at the very top, and then again you want to find the version of Sodium you need, so in this case it's going to be 1.21. Once we've clicked on it, we need to click on the green download button, and again I'm going to download the mod to my desktop. And again, you want to do this with any other mod you also want to download. So now we have everything downloaded to run Sodium, we do need to open these Java files, and to open these Java files you will need to have Java installed to your Mac. So if you don't have it already, you want to go to the web browser, and you want to go to the link in the description, and you want to download Java from here. It's very simple. All we need to do is to select the latest version of Java, and then you want to select your operating system, which is Mac, and then if you're on the Apple Silicon chip, you want to download the ARM version of Java. However, if you're on the older Intel chip, you want to download the x64 version. All you need to do is click on the link to download and install it. So now we have Java installed to our Mac, all we need to do is go ahead and open the Fabric installer, and after a few seconds this will open and it should look like a window box like this. All we need to do is make sure we are on the client tab, and we want to select our Minecraft version, in this case 1.21, and then we want to select the loader version, which in this case is going to be the latest version. Once you're ready, you want to click on create profile, and you want to click on install. This will take a few seconds to install, and once it's ready you want to click on OK, and now you can exit out of the installer and delete the installer itself. Now Fabric has been installed to our Minecraft launcher, we just need to go ahead and install the Fabric mods themselves. To do this, we need to reopen the Minecraft launcher, and then you want to click on the installations tab at the very top. From here you want to find where it says the Fabric loader, and you want to click on the file icon just to the right of it, and this will open the file directory to the Minecraft installation. From here you want to find where it says the mods folder and open it up, and if you don't have one you may need to create one yourself. Once you're inside the mods folder, we just need to go ahead and drag and drop all of our Fabric mods into the mods folder. In this case it's going to be Sodium and the Fabric API. Once they've been moved into the mods folder, all we need to do is exit out of the file directory, and we can go ahead and play Minecraft just as we normally would. And to do this you want to select the drop down menu, click on the Fabric loader and click on play. So once Minecraft has opened, you know this has worked because in the bottom left it will say your Minecraft version, and it will also say Fabric and modded in brackets. We can check that Sodium is fully working by going to our options and clicking on video settings, and you'll notice this has changed, and that's because we are running Sodium now. As a general rule, I do recommend changing the general and quality settings, but I recommend leaving the performance and advanced settings as they are by default. As another general rule, if you want to increase performance, you want to decrease or turn off these settings. However, if you want to increase visual quality, you want to turn up or turn on these settings. So once you've messed around with your settings and you're happy with them, you want to go ahead and start playing Minecraft just as you normally would. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments you can leave them below and I will reply to you as soon as I can.